If you have type 4 hair like me and you're looking for a styling product that gives you a soft hold without the crunch, this might be the one to try. This is week 5 of my Braid Out series where I test out different products on my hair. And this week I'm using Pattern Beauty Curl Gel. I'm going to show you exactly how I applied it and how I got these results. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on your notifications, share this video, and let me know in the comments if you tried Pattern Beauty or if you plan on trying it, or if you like this Braid Out series. Just let me know in the comments. So let's go ahead and watch the video.